Hey guys, and welcome to this SEO section. Okay, so in this section, I'm going to be telling you that how can you prepare your website for the SEO. So we'll be doing the on-page SEO that is within the website, like how you can prepare your website for the SEO and how you can implement everything that Google says. Okay, so before just going into that, I want to give you my tips, and those are like make sure that your website consists of the following pages. Okay, the About Us. The home is always there, obviously, guys. Okay, so the About Us, Contact Us, Terms and Conditions, and Privacy Policy. These 4 pages are really necessary. If you have it, your website will go amazing. So these 5 pages are highly recommended by me. Okay, so now let's suppose that if a website is based on the on-page, the single-page website, okay, the one-page website, then what you have to do, like the first project that we were building on was the let's build a personal resume site. Okay, so this is a website, and this is just based on a single page, and how we're gonna make sure that a website loads fast. That a website how can we add pages, okay, like About Us and Contact Us. Okay, so I would say is to just create it. Do not edit in the menu if you do not want to. Okay, but make sure to create those pages, because if you have it, your website credibility will be increased, and when Google will crawl your website, I don't know if Google really implies on it, but in my experience, I have seen that the websites, those who have these critical pages, they rank more. Okay, so if you have it, your website will be ranking on more on the first page of Google. Okay, so now let's suppose that what to add in the About Us. So I don't think so if I have to add you the give you the examples of the About Us pages. Okay, you can go ahead and you can visit different type of websites. Okay, and then you can look at the About Us page. But in the Contact Us page, I have seen that you have to add them. Okay, so in the Contact Us page, you first have to give the address, email address, and phone number, and your working office hours if possible, because Google will crawl your website. Google will search your website, and when Google will search your website, then it will mark your website to be authentic. So if you have it, it is good for you. Now, the second thing is that make sure to also add the contact form. Okay, so you guys already know about it, like how to add the contact form and how to do that. And the third one is the map. Make sure to add the map. So let me give you an example of the Contact Us page. Okay, I'm going to go to tech.pk and /contact. So I'm just giving you an example of Contact Us page. I'm not telling you that you have to copy it, okay? Because you don't have to copy it, but if you add it to your website will look amazing. Okay, so you can see this is an example, like address, phone numbers, and the email address. The contact form is also here, and they also have a map. So if you have something like that, then your website will look good. So we were also working on a project that was the S3, I hope. So if I just go to the contact page, then I'm going to give you an example. Like this is also a great example that we were building a business website with the this. So I think this is the S3. Yes, this was the one. Okay, you can see how it is looking. It says get a call, find us, and we have phone number, this right here, and everything. So it is taking some time to load. Okay, this is not the cache optimized. Our website is not the cache optimized, so we have to optimize it for that, and we will learn it, so don't worry. We will also learn how to make sure that a website has the SSL certificate, which helps in the ranking. Okay, so let's wait till this is load. It is taking so much time. The reason is that it has the image that we need to compress. Okay, so I'm gonna be telling you each and everything, like how you can work with it and how it is done. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so here we go. You can see how it is looking. This Contact Us page is looking amazing. Okay, so I seriously like this page. So you can see how great this page is looking, ain't it? Okay, so you can create a page like this. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example. So if you have a page like this, your page will not only look good, but if you just give every information about your company and everything, your website, Google will mark that website to be authentic. Okay, I don't know. I personally don't know if Google do really works, but I have seen the websites that do rank most, they have these pages. and the privacy policy and the terms and conditions is a must. Okay, so it is 100% must. You should be having these pages. Okay, so privacy policy and the terms and conditions. So you can generate your page for the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. You can write it like privacy policy generator. Okay, and then here you can just go to the pages that that it has. So this one, it will ask you some questions like, does your website has this? Like, are you the website owner or this? Okay, so I'm just gonna select this. I'm the website owner. Okay, why are you creating this? Because to sell digital products, to sell service, website or blog provides free information. So let's suppose that I have of this. Okay, and then I have this next. So then it's gonna tell me that what personal information do you collect from people. So you can select everything, and it will ask you a question, and then it will generate all your policies. Okay, so this is how it works. So now I think we are totally done with the tips of the pages that we should be adding into our website. Okay, so now when you have it, congratulations guys, you have done the first step. You have built the authenticity, and now your website is 100% complete. Okay, so now we're going to be covering some tips like how the keyword works, what is a keyword, and how you have to manipulate every keyword in your content, and how everything will work in the SEO. And then we're going to be moving forward with like this SSL certificate and everything. So stay tuned guys, and in the upcoming video we'll be working up with that. Goodbye.